everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 2nd to the 4th of March 2026 on Monday. Metron takes on the captain Mangcobo fears the worst, and Garage is concerned by Nestando on Tuesday. Mangcobo defies Shwabi on the day he needs her most, and her saloon opening blows up in her face. Zethu and Sifiso finds a unique common ground as Metron Katazile plans a protest, and Nomalanga's lies comes back to haunt her on Wednesday. Mangcobo and Garage can no longer suppress what they feel for each other. Shobane is forced to deal with the Zethu and Sifiso working together. Right in front of him, Siphamandla forces Nomalanga to come clean and then shock her. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.